Hi, in this video I will show you how to highlight duplicates in one column in Google Sheet. So first I will select my section, but let me just select these, then go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and here I only selected this just to show you that you can change this here. So we are from A2 until A11, so I'm gonna change this A11, and I'm gonna change this the format rules to custom formula is, because we will create our own formula, and I will write count if, then I will copy this, comma, then I will write A2 because it's our first cell, then param. And here you can change how it would be highlighted. I can mark it in bold, I can change this, and I can change the color, and you can actually do whatever you want. Like that, you highlighted your duplicate, and if you wanna delete, for example, this formula, you just need to click on this, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and you can delete it, or you can click on it and change it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel.